Namaste students. In this video we are going to learn to find LCM of given any two numbers by prime factorization method. Here is the problem. Find the LCM of 30 and 45 by prime factorization method. So as we discussed in the previous video, same way we will find first prime factors, then we will write that prime factors like this, and then we need to write the common and non-common prime factors. Last to find the products of common and non-common prime factors. So let's begin with first given number. They given first number as a 30. We took this 30 and we wrote 30 at an here. So once we wrote a 30, we know that this 30 is even and composite number, so it is divisible by 2. We chosen 2. 30 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 is a remainder, 1 and 0 10, 2 5s are 10. We got the quotient as 15. 15 is odd and composite number, it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by next prime 3. We wrote 3 here. 15 divided by 3, we get the quotient as 5. Prime factors of 30, we got it as 2 into 3 into 5. That only I wrote here, 2 into 3 into 5. Same way we need to find prime factors of 45. I wrote the 45 at n here. 45 is the composite and odd number, so it is not divisible by first prime 2. It is divisible by next prime 3. We wrote 3. 45 by 3 means 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1 remainder, 1 5 15, 3 5s are 15. We get a quotient as 15. 15 is again composite number and it is odd number, so it is not divisible by first prime, it is divisible by next prime, that is a 3. We wrote 3. 15 by 3, we get the quotient as 5. 5 is a prime number, we need to stop. Since prime factors of 45 equals to 3, we get 2 times, we wrote 3 2 times. 5 1 time, 1 time 5 we wrote. After this, once we finish this all the things, next step is to underline the common factor. So 3 1 3 is a common factor at n here, we done underline 3 3 at here. 5 is also a common factor, we done the underline. We have non-common as a 2 and 3. Since we need to write least common multiple of 30 and 45 equals to, first we will write common factor. 3 is a common, we wrote this 3. 5 is also a common, we wrote 5. Next we need to write non-common primes. Non-common, we have a 2, we wrote this 2 here. We have this 3 also, we wrote this 3 here. Now last step is to find product of these common and non-common primes. So first I will multiply this 5 and 2. 5 into 2 we get 10. This 3 and this 3 will give us a product as 9. We wrote 9. 9 into 10, 90. Hence least common multiple of 30 and 45, we get it as 90.